everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, I'm going to share a quick and easy fix for a common issue in Shopify. Have you ever been bothered by the problem that your collection page shows the lowest priced variant for your products? Showing the cheapest variant's price can set the wrong expectations, and sometimes even result in losing the customer's trust. For example, in my coffee store, I've got this awesome coffee and dripper set that I want my customers to notice, and it's shown in my main product image. But by default, the lowest price is displayed, which is the price of the taster pack. This might make customers think the product set is way cheaper than it actually is. The same thing happens with other products that have different sized packages at varying prices as well. So how do we fix this? Well, the idea is that instead of showing the lowest price, we can show the price of the first product. This way, we can put the main product as the first product and guarantee that the customers get the correct information. It's a simple code tweak in the Dawn theme, and I'll show you how to do it. Before changing the code, always remember to make a copy of your theme and apply the changes to the copy. That way, you can easily revert if anything goes wrong. First, head to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your theme and open the code editor. In the code editor, use the filter to find the card product liquid file. Roll down to around line 207 in that file. Replace the existing code there with a new snippet. That tells Shopify to display the price of the first variant for each product on the collection page, even if it's not the lowest price. You can grab that code from our blog, linked in the video description. Once you've made the change and saved the file, it's time to test it out. Preview your collection page. Check the product we saw previously with different variant prices. See, now the first variant's price is showing up correctly. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.